Mark, hapus perfformio ar y tîm heddi?
Wel, wrth gwrs, chwarae yn erbyn y tîm top o chynrhaia. Mae'n amlwg i fi, Trethomas ydy trefnus iawn, cwpl o chwaraewyr da iawn, ond chwarae teg i chwaraewyr Caerfyrddin wedi perfformio yn da iawn heddiw, wedi reoli y gêm dwi'n meddwl. Dim lot o chance i'r Trethomas, ond mae cwpl o cyfleon arall i Caerfyrddin i cael gol arall ac felly diwedd y dydd dwi'n hapus iawn.
At times I thought we actually controlled the game quite well in possession, but I thought we lacked punch, we lacked fire, we lacked cutting edge. So you can control a football match as much as you want, but if you haven't got that, then you're not going to get anything, and that's what happened.
Always try and get in the score sheet really, but apart from that, we dominated, and it's always nice to get on the score sheet.
It seems a really interesting Cymru South this year. It's so tight between sort of first and ninth. What do you make of it, and the enjoyment you get in playing it?
It's going to go all the way, I think, all the way to the last game. So we've just got to keep picking up points. We got another big game next week in Trevelyan away, which is always a tough place to go. So we just look forward to that now. Start preparing Tuesday and hopefully pick up another 3 points.